All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. We got a guest over here. I got Costin with me today, and we're out on Lake Oroville in the middle of spring. Let's see, the water temperature has got to be in the 60s now. It's in the 70s again, those little guys are going to be up and shallow. We're going to go whack on some spotted bass out here, and I might throw around a glide or something like that and see if I catch a big one. But we're going to go out and just let him have fun. So stay tuned, guys. We're going to be catching a lot of fish today, probably in the 2.5 and under range. So, but hey, make sure you guys take your kids fishing. It's probably one of the best things you can do. Get everybody outdoors, family outdoors, and all you dads out there, you got to share the passion, right? So share the passion with your kids, and there's nothing better than watching your kid reel in one. So yeah, we're gonna go do that today, and hopefully have a lot of fun, guys. Let's go. Yeah, go ahead and take that off, and then the banks are super steep here. So you just got to get it close to the bank, and then you kind of just scooch it down, you know, little by little. Should be able to catch fish here. So once I start catching them on this jig, you should be able to catch them on that. Let's see if they're here. Caught a bunch over here on tournament day. Oh, yeah, reel that one back in. You're off in the abyss. If I were a bass, where would I be? There's one. Nah, you're all right. Little guy. Number one of the day. All right, your turn. I caught him just casting really close. Well, I don't know, you can come up here. So just cast. Yeah, we gotta get a little bit closer. And if you're not catching them on the, we can switch to that other, the drop shot too. Fish, like when it gets warm like this, they like the, they like shade. So sometimes if you see little shade pockets, you can cast in there. And you just got, on that Senko, you just gotta let it work. You gotta be patient with it. And just watch, see, I'm working a jig. And I just throw this thing out there. See how I kind of do a parallel cast with the bank. And then I let it sit, and I can tell my reel's still going. All right, we're done. And then I can feel the bottom. Oh, there's one. Yeah. Oh. So that one's gonna get down there, and it's just gonna, like, the weight's gonna be at the bottom, and you'll feel it. So you just kind of drag it towards you. Yeah, let me see if I can let me tie up a, oh, came off. You keep working that. I'm gonna see if I can, okay. So reel that one in. This one you're gonna fill the bottom. Oh, watch out, it's wrapped around your rod tip. This one you gotta let it get all the way out there. Like get all the way down. Here, let me So cast it down here. So cast it like this way. And then, or I mean, that way's fine, but you're gonna feel the bottom. So you're gonna feel it coming over the rocks. And all of a sudden you'll feel like a tick, 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 and then that's the fish. What's that? Reel it in. Got one? All right. Oh, he does got one.
Oh my gosh, that is huge.
Oh. There we go. Sweet. Got him. On the net rig. All right, give it some slack. A little bit of slack there. Yeah, I guess I know what you're throwing. You wanna hold him? There's one.
Oh my God.
Got him.
All
All right, they're like sitting right over in that deep hole right there, so.
Where?
See where that rock is? Just to the left. You got one?
Ah. It keeps on getting on.
So when you catch one, when you feel one bite, watch. I'll just show you. When I feel one bite, I reel down and then I set the hook. Yeah. If you cast out in front of us, then it'll be easier. Like right now we're moving away from where you cast, so it just picks the bait up and pulls it. If you cast this way, there you go. Bank shot. All right, they're by that tree.
They're by the tree?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
How close?
Just outside of it, I could feel him. He's chasing it. Smallest little guy ever. All right, you want to try it? You want to try this? This one I literally just threw in there and it. All right, your turn. Ooh. This guy is not messing around. He's not happy. Cast right out here. Not like the rocks are shallow, so just a little bit off the rocks. There you go. That's a good cast. Look at that guy.
Now he's calm.
Holy smokes, that guy has it down his throat. This guy, look. Look at this guy, he's getting caught. He broke off.
Wait, then where's the thing?
It's down his throat right there, that's the jig. Oh, this guy's been caught already. We're gonna take care of that. Oh.
Got one.
Yeah, you do. Yeah, okay. Oh, there we go. Oh, dude, that guy choked it. Look at that. Choked it. Nice. Okay, if you feel one, reel down and...
Got one.
You got another one? Oh, Scotty's on fire. Got him. Yeah, you still got him?
Got one in the tree.
Yeah. Get in there. All right. Good job. That one on the jig. Look at that.
That's my lucky bait thing.
All right, 1, 2, 3. All right.
Bye-bye.
Get the clicker. That's cool. Heck yeah.
96.
Good job. There you go. Throw there and they'll be there.
I think I see one like under that rock.
Oh yeah? You
No,
chilling?
that's another one.
You saw a rockfish?
I don't know.
There's one.
That one?
Yeah. Ooh,
That's big.
might be a smallmouth.
That looks big.
No, it's a spot. All right.
Where did you catch that? Wait,
Almost right underneath the boat.
almost.
Mm-hmm. Perfect jig trailer. Classic jig trailer.
Got one.
You got one? Oh, dang. Oh, hold on. Stop reeling. Oh, yeah. Oh, he came off just in time.
Yeah. I was lucky.
You got lucky there. Yeah, you did. Okay, 1, 2, 3. There you go. Hit the clicker.
Feels nice. Almost got one. Oh, got one.
Okay, hold on. I got you. All right, got him.
It's got 99.
All right, let some slack out. Line out there. All right. Good job. The bass slayer over here.
Count that. Oh, 99. I read it upside down.
You gonna hold him?
Mm-hmm.
You want another picture with?
Damn, this is sharp.
What, the spine?
Yeah.
It is. 1, 2, 3. All right, good job. All right, good job, bud. You're getting there, that little jig. Whoop. All right, you keep fishing. I'm gonna pack this stuff up and then I'll let you keep fishing. Little dinker. Numero 100. Over there by that slanted rock. You're done? Okay. That jig proved to be the winner. Pretty good. You're pretty good with that jig. right here. We are back at the ramp. That's it for today. Super fun day. Man, Lake Oroville, I love taking the kids out here this time of year just because it's like lights out. You're guaranteed to catch fish. Senkos, Ned rigs. Today they are just really biting the jig good. So Costin got on his first jig bite here, and yeah, we're gonna come back out tomorrow. So we'll shoot another video tomorrow, see if we can put together some content for you guys. But man, Lake Oroville in the springtime, absolute lights out. Take your kids here, they'll fall in love catching spotted bass all day long. So, all right guys, we'll catch you on the next one. We'll see you.